Howdy all, this is K1Locks. Today I come at you with a lock penned up by BosnianBill. Here's the bidding on it. This is one that he recently did a review on, and as you can see it was just open, so let's see if we can't pick it open again, shall we? Anyway, alright, let's see if we can start this over here. And there we go. You can see it's open. So, well, shoot, let's go ahead and take it apart, shall we? Alright, y'all, I need to go grab a pinning tray. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Here we go. Okay. What a fun little lock. See if we can't get this shim in here. We can get this lock open. Okay. Well, as you can see here, really didn't have to pick much. So one serrated, two serrated, 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 and serrated. And up in the core, looks like he threaded 1, 4, and 6. And let's see what he did up in the Bible, shall we? Threading on 1, threaded spool on 2, spool on 3, backwards spool on 4. Spool on 5. And a threaded spool on 6. So, and then up in the Bible, it looks like he threaded 1, 2, and 6. So, nice. Again, this lock comes to us from BosnianBill. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.